Good day, guys. We all can see our GBP USD, right? We can see the movement it's made, right? It actually gave us the bullish move, which we actually predicted. By the way, it gave us about 200 pips bullish move, right? We predicted today that this our GBP would actually give us this at least bullish move. We'd want to see take out this level here, right? And we can see we've actually had a bullish move for today. So we would want to see where the price will be moving for the next day, which is on the 8th. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please do so. And let's get started. So first of all, we would start it with our daily time frame, right? The trend, this is a bearish move. This is a downward trend. Our price is below, right? And I've also included this moving average. And one thing is that I love trading the moving average is that once the price is above our moving average, then there's only one movement I love looking out for, and I do advise people to look out for, is that once the price is above the moving average, then we are on a long movement. But if it is below it, then we are to short it. So we can see, I think throughout last week, last 3 weeks or so, and so for sometimes it has been above the moving average, right? We actually went long. So we can also see that this price actually dropped, right? And we also see that this price dropped, right? And guess what? The price actually failed to break these lows. This is one of the reasons why I said since price has actually failed to break this low, there's huge probability that we'll continue to go long. This is why we actually opened and closed bullish on Friday. Even today, which is on Monday, we predicted we will also open and close bullish. Now we've opened and closed bullish. Now the next day, where do you see our price to actually go? I very much likely to see it actually open and close bullish also for the next day, at least to try and take out these lows. Now, have it in mind that we might very much have a pullback at this GBPUSD. It just depends on the volatile, the movement of the PS. Though, if there's a good amount of movement, right, we should have a correction, and after the correction, price should be able to, give us that bullish move, which will be more visible on a 4-hour time frame. We will get into that later, though. But our aim on this our GBPUSD is one thing: we should be able to take out this ice. This is the level we are aiming for to take out. This is what I want you guys to watch out for. This is a level of 1.16405. So we want to see it go push up to take it out. So that's it. We give us at least we still have about 100 and close to 150 pips bullish move to be made on GBPUSD. Also know that price may give us this bullish move, a little bit of a pullback before it pushes up to take out this highs. If it gives us that movement, then fine. And if it does not give us that movement, price just open bullish and goes bullish the next day to take out this highs, that is fine. Above all, there's one objective we all should be aiming for, is to actually take out this ice on our GBPUSD. And again, if you even take a look at the news that was released about last week, the interest rate, I think the interest rate was around 2 point something percentage. Now it is currently at 3 percentage. There was an increase in it, increase in interest rates, right? So of course, we should see an increase in such a currency. This is why I am not surprised that GBP to our USD is even going bullish, right? So that's another reason, number two, why we'll be going bullish. And take a look at another reason is that take a look at this USD index. So we would want to take a look at our index, right? Our index is dropping. Where do you think it will drop into? We want to see it drops out to this level, to take out this level on USD index, right? As this USD index is dropping to take out this level, right? Do not be surprised if our GBP to our USD push up to take out this level. So this is one of the reasons why I said one of our objective or aim is to actually take out this ice on GBP USD. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So clearly this is an uptrend move of 4-hour time frame, right? One, this is a bullish move, and if you have to take trade on the 4-hour time frame, what you clearly can see, this is an uptrend move and you should go uptrend with it. Secondly, the price is above the moving average, and you would not want to trade against the moving average, right? Especially on the 4-hour time frame. If you want to trade a move um we want to trade without the moving average, right? That should be possible on the daily time frame, or opposite of the moving average. Maybe you can do it on the daily time frame, but this is the 4-hour time frame, right? We that want to place the trade, since it is above the moving average, then it is advisable for us to actually go long. So let's see if this moving average can come give us a pullback around this level. like this trend can give us the bullish move, give us a pullback around this level. Once it gives us a pullback around this level, then we should see a continuous bullish move to take out this highs on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD above all, we are aiming to take out this high. So watch out for a bullish move on GBPUSD.